I'm Suzy Destarac. I'm the owner of Shine Health Collective, and I'm your well-being chef. I offer Back to Basics as a class for families for a few reasons. First of all, we all have to eat. It's the one thing that brings us all together. The missing link for families is really around getting whole food nutrition into our kids. The other piece of that is teaching them the skills to actually be able to make healthy choices for themselves. And food also touches every aspect of our health. So when we're helping and equipping our children with healthy cooking habits, we're setting them up for a lifetime of success in so many areas. It is going to help with focus, performance, confidence. Some of the challenges that families see. Number one, the availability of convenience food, whether it's DoorDash or fast food, or even just overly processed food in the grocery store. Our taste buds get used to that. Our kids' taste buds get used to it. That's where we come in and we actually teach real skills that you can implement and build these sustainable habits. One of them is if your child does not like broccoli, for example, have them kiss it goodbye. That way, at least they're getting the little taste of the broccoli floret on their lips. They're gonna get a little bit of that in. But my favorite one is to pulverize and disguise. Get a handful of organic spinach, toss it in your chocolate milkshake. You can also mix it in with spaghetti sauce or some of those things. When we empower families through cooking healthy food and teach our kids how to understand healthy food, that is really magic. Your first wealth is your health.